Hey there, here's a quick run on the interface just in case you might be a Blender newbie, so dive in. Up on the top left of the screen, you've got your file menu, pretty self-explanatory, right? You've got options such as save, open, import, and export. You get to explore this as we progress. Over on the left side, this drop-down menu sets different objects interaction modes like objects, edit, and sculpt mode. Kinda like a little toolbox, if you will. Moving down a bit, you come across the properties panel on the right. This is where you can find all the useful details about your object like its materials and modifiers. It's like the info column of Blender. The window that comes up in your face each time you open Blender is a 3D viewport, which is where you'll be doing most of your work. Here you can move, scale, and rotate your objects using the options provided. It's where the magic happens. Below that, you've got a timeline panel where you manage all your basic keyframes and animation. On the top left, you'd find the outliner panel, which shows you a list of all the objects in your scene and how they're organized. So, there you have it, Blender's interface explained in a way that won't make you want to pull your hair out. Now, go forth and create some 3D magic.